What's going on, YouTube? Today on the chopping block, we've got the one, the only, the long-standing champion, the Buck 110. This knife has been around for quite some time. Granddaddy's pocket knife right here. Got your brass bolsters, nice wood handle, some brass pins. I'm assuming this one's a stainless pin here. It's a Lockback design, if you guys don't already know. Classic Lockback. Pretty solid too. I mean, this thing revolutionized the folding knife industry. Buck was started in 1902. Now this blade here is 3.75 inches, 3.75 inches. It's 420 HC stainless steel. It's got a clip point blade. I'm actually not sure what type of wood that is, but I really like that. I know a lot of the standard models come in what is it, ebony wood now, but you know, they make some special editions. This was actually my brother's knife, and he carried it. I mean, you can see that sheath is dirty. I haven't touched it. But look at that bad boy, made in the USA, forever warranty. I mean, they really stand by their work. Now they do have some other models, like the, what is it, the 110 Pro. I think it's like S30V. They've got the 110 Slim, I think. And I want to say that has like G10 handles. And they've even got a, what do they call it? The Sport. And it's got a, oh gosh, I can't think of the steel it's got right now. Oh, just give me one second. Yeah, S35VN steel. And they've even added a pocket clip on the Sport version. I know a lot of guys complain, you know, no pocket clip, but in my opinion, this sucker, you know, it needs to go on the belt. But it is pretty cool, you know. It's what would they call it in like the gun industry? When you bubba something, like when you bubba a Mosin or an SKS. I might have to pick one up. They've bubbaed the 110. They've got a newer version, and I'll link to it below, or I mean in the comments, and I'll link to it in the description. But they've added a pocket clip. Like I said, it's that fancier steel, S35VN or something like that. And then they've even added thumb studs, because you know, guys don't like that you can't open it one-handed, and you can. It's just, it is a chore, you know. I mean, for me, I have to pinch it like that, then I have to re-grip and just try not to slice the tip of my thumb there. But man, this is just an iconic knife. I mean, you see that thick daddy spring down in there? Let me see if you can see that. Yeah. But I actually, I'll link to my website. I have a blog article written about the history of Buck. It's fascinating. I mean, multiple generations, just started from a boy in a blacksmith shop with farrier rasps, you know, the classic, the Buck 110. Let's hear some stories, guys. Like, I mean, this thing is just, it's an American classic right here. So I know you guys got stories. I'm sure a lot of you have had this knife, all that good stuff. So let me know. Let's hear those stories. And again, I'm gonna link an article I wrote about the history of Buck knives. It is just fascinating. It's gonna be on my website. But what can I say? This thing is just, it is sturdy too. I mean, you have to really force it to feel anything there, But that lockup is just, it's solid. And this is a hefty boy. I'll get a measurement. I think it's like 8. Yeah. Yeah, it's over 8.5 inches. The blade, like I said, like 3 3/4. And your handle is coming in at, say, 4 7/8 of an inch. And I would weight check it, but I got this deer hide here for this special video, for this special knife. But I've kind of cheated. I've got it pulled up over here. It is 7.2 ounces, and I have confirmed. Let me go off screen here and confirm again for you guys. Yeah. 7.2 ounces. My scale actually says 7.3. The buck 110, baby. I had to dress it up a little bit. Like, subscribe. Again, leave those stories. Comment, what do you guys think about this knife? I know your dad's probably carried it. Your grandpa's carried it. Have you carried it? What do you think? Let us know. Appreciate it, guys.